Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to make lunch for work and dinner. Hey everybody, how are you? Making lunch for me and my mother because we work together. So, what I put in my egg salad, I put mayo, mustard, salt and pepper, and my secret ingredient, I put a touch of horseradish in it. I just like it. So I'm going to get to mixing this up. This is going to be part of my no spend challenge because pretty much every day, if we don't bring food or we just don't eat, we order from this little deli, and the sandwiches, they're really affordable. I mean, it's way cheaper than going to McDonald's and stuff, and they use boar's heads. It's like $5.99 a sandwich on a hard roll, and they're excellent. But I feel like, but don't forget I have to buy two, because, one for me and one for her. So, I feel like with this is going to give me a savings of at least, and with chips, everything like that, you're talking like 20 bucks a day. And so, I'm going to try to save that money. I know I'm not going to be perfect at this, preparing like this, for every day or whatever, but, what I'm gonna do, I'm just cutting these up if you're wondering what I'm doing. How rude of me, I should be showing you what I'm doing, huh? But what I'm gonna do, I think it's gonna save me like probably 60, 80 bucks a week, which we can put in the envelopes. I'll be back. When I say a little horseradish, you guys, I mean a little. Maybe that much. It does something magical that I can't explain to you. So I'm just gonna mix this all together, and then I'm gonna put together our sandwiches and a couple snacks. I also cleaned out my little buddy's tank today, his little home. I've had him about 3 weeks now. I felt so bad for him when he was in a little container waiting. I was thinking, oh boy, he probably thinks, he's back to living in just a little container. But he seems to be doing good. Hey, what you crying for? And Dutch, you haven't seen her in a couple days, so she wants to say hello. Want to say hello? Hello. At this point, there was a lot of activity in the house. I have to do a voiceover. So I just got done making the egg salad sandwiches, packing them up. I put some of the snacks I bought to go with it in a bag. And then I started dinner. So I just made some pork chops, butternut squash, and a salad. For the butternut squash, I just put olive oil, salt, and pepper. I was getting pretty tired. We spent the day at my in-laws, or with my mother-in-law. We went to the cemetery again, a whole group. So we were out for a lot of hours, and we were out in the cold and stuff. So I was pretty tired, just trying to hustle to get this together. Because again, part of the no spend challenge, try to not eat out either. So bring my lunch and not eat out, so we can stuff them in our cash saving envelopes. I'm really trying to do that. So I tried this Thai chili mango salad. It didn't have any lettuce. It was all Brussels sprouts and kale. It was really crunchy. I would eat it again, definitely. I just wasn't really used to it. It had dried mango pieces, sunflower seeds, a really great dressing that was kind of sweet and spicy, and this was the final thing. I just had this salad with a pork chop and some of the butternut squash, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon.